USA is home to a diversified business opportunities and the potential for expedite growth. There are approximately 32 million small businesses in the US. And the success of these businesses is more than 60%. So starting a small business in USA is a good idea. Instead of opting for a job, let's explore 5 small business ideas in USA which you can start. Number 5, mobile food truck. With having no specific location and always on the move, mobile food truck is a different kind of food serving business. It's an ideal business for those who want to jump in this sector without owning a shop and having little to no experience in food industry. On average, food truck business owners make between $24,000 and $153,000 per year. Number 4, woodworking. Woodworking is a profitable and one of the most trending business in United States. You must have seen great wooden crafted products as per clients' needs that turns your attention. Wooden crafted products are the need of every home, and specifically those products that have an exclusive touch to it, making it more elegant, unique, and aesthetically beautiful. The products include home decor items, kitchen accessories, cables, bookshelf, innovative boxes, photo frames to customized items. You can start this at home if you enjoy crafting products. Number 3, organic farming business. People are opting for organic fresh vegetables, fruits, and dairy products as they are now health conscious. How rapidly this business is growing is proven by the stats. Sales of organic food products in USA records of $57 billion business in 2021 alone. This business requires little investment to start with a great growth potential. Profit margins are high and you can even start it as arbitrage seller. Number 2, online selling. You can make online selling business into a great business if you became expert in it. E-commerce business in 2021 alone is $871 billion as 70% of American shop online. You can get products manufactured at a low cost and sell high profit margin. You can create your own e-commerce shop or can sell on platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, and eBay, etc. Number 1, property management. This is ongoing maintenance and taking care of the property in the absence of owners. You want to make sure that it is properly maintained along with different tasks such as taking care of it safely and submitting property tax, etc. Selecting an ideal location to start this business is very crucial. You need to research extensively and see if there is a great potential to start at that area. This is high paying work, and property manager earn average of $60,000 annually. If you like this video and want to get more useful ideas in different fields of life, then like and subscribe to our channel.